Everyone, today topic is non-technical plastic pollution. The plastic pollution accumulation in the environment of synthesis plastic product to the point that they create problem in wildlife and their habits and well home population in 1907 in invitation about in materials introduction synthesis plastic world commerce by the end 20th century plastic been precedence environment from bottom of the sea being mistaken for food by animal flowing low lying areas simply causing significant plastic increasing attention as a large scale pollution plastic polymers materials that materials whose molecules are very large often resemble long chains made up links nature polymers such as rubber and steel exist in but nature plastic have not been implement environment pollution because they do not environment today. However, the average consumer comes into daily contact with kind of plastic materials that have been developed specifically defect nature process material mainly from that can be model cast applied as a coating science. The large they tend nature environment. Moreover, many lightweight single-use plastic product packing materials which account for approximately 50% of all plastic products are not deposit. It contains remove centers instead they improperly deposit location where are consumer drop on the ground car window happened out and already full trash been carried off by a gust wind they immediately begin a pollution environment landscape plastic packing have become common is mainly world dumping of plastic overflowing containment structure also play a role. The study around the world have not shown any particular country. Group to be the through population center generated the most litter, the cause and effect plastic uh, pollution worldwide. Plastic production grew from some 1.5 million metric tons millions were transported in 1952 estimate million tons to 10 million to 18 between 4.8 million and 12.7 million metric discarded into the uh, occurs compared with materials in common use in first half 20th century. Glass paper, aluminum, plastic have lower recovery rate relative to manufacturing process because of significant processing difficulty such as low melting point which prevent contaminants from being driven during heating and reproducing. Most recycled plastic are below the cost of raw materials. Viral deposit scheme or their recycling is simply regulation. In cycling rate vary dramatically from the country to country and Northern European rates 50%. In any case, recycling does not really address plastic pollution. Science recycle plastic properly, deposit pollution from improve dispose in the outcome plastic pollution can kill marine animal directly through intelligent objects such as fishing gear but can also through injection being mistake for food. Study have found kind species including small zooplankton large most marine readily plastic bites trash it some plastic bag and bottle caps sunlight and seat wear plastic and breakdown of large object into microplastic plastic available to zooplankton and marine animals such small plastic which are length make up a sizable plastic waste. Microplastic has been found in the organ of more than 114 aquatic species, including some species found only in the ocean. By 2020, scientists had estimated that the 14 million metric tons, millions practicals will resisting floor ocean. Other research had development was creating microplastic. Thank you.